No, not that one. Onboarding new client. I guess that is it.
How did
I
you
guess
add
I don't. Say again.
How did you add all those headings in there, like where it says subcontractor?
Okay,
affiliate?
and I'm glad you asked. So now I'm gonna take you that. So these headings, all these headings are called pipelines, right? So if you look up here
Yeah.
and click pipelines, this is where you create those at. So right here. So if you create them here, and I'll show you this subcontractor one. Subcontractor affiliate onboarding, create folder in Google Drive, send subcontractors non-compete agreement sign. So that's when I showed you that subcontractor non-compete agreement, that's this right here. Add to QuickBooks. So these are all steps in my onboarding process. And it gives me notifications because I have it set up that way so that it'll actually give me notifications. Okay, this needs to be done, that needs to be done. Some things are automatically done and I don't have to do it. It'll just give me a notification that it's been done.